What's up, guys? So I know I look a hot mess. This is probably the worst I've ever looked on here on YouTube. I've been having a rough couple of days. Saturday, February 11th, it's 5 p.m. It's officially Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, and I have my first event tomorrow, first show tomorrow. On my body, decided to get allergies this week, and lately, like for the past couple of years, my allergies have been like just one day and then like the next day it's gone. But now it's lasted like, I think I started like Wednesday night and it's Saturday, and I still sound very congested. I'm saying all of that to say I've been prioritizing rest because I have an event Monday, Tuesday, and then Thursday, and then it's Valentine's Day on Tuesday, and then I think I have something to do on Friday that I can't even think of right now. I have not been working. I've been bedridden because, well, I've tried to move around a little bit, but I've been mostly bedridden and trying to prioritize rest because I have so much to do next week, and my body's probably just crashed because I've been doing so much already. But I'm about to get myself together. I'm gonna shower and not that I haven't been showering, guys, by the way, just for those people. But no, I'm gonna shower because I have to wash my hair too, and I'm gonna straighten it. I have to do my eyebrows. I let them grow out, so it's almost a unibrow right now. I have to shave my little stash right here. I have to shave my legs, do everything. I have to do everything, and then later I'm gonna do some press-ons on my nails. So tomorrow, all I have to do is just put on my makeup and get dressed because the event is pretty early. The show that I'm attending starts at 2 p.m. so I have to be there a little bit before, so that leaves me like just very short amount of time depending on what time I wake up. Just finished like washing some dishes, and I made myself a little matcha latte, which I haven't been drinking, but I needed a little bit of like a boost of energy because I still feel really drowsy. I took Benadryl last night, so that's all the update that I have for you right now. In the next clip, I'll probably look a little bit better. Hey y'all, so I look a lot more refreshed. I don't even know if I'm gonna include the clip that I filmed earlier because I looked crazy, but if I did, then you guys will know I look a lot more refreshed. I'm getting over allergies right now. I'm about at an 8, so I'm almost there to feeling much better, and I think tomorrow I'll feel a lot better. I think I overplucked my eyebrows a little bit. I'm not gonna even lie, because look at this right here. I think I overplucked a little bit. This one looks alright, but it don't matter because we fill those in anyways. Look at my nails. I love them. So I got some press-ons. These are press-ons from Kiss, the regular like French manicure ones, and then I put some stickers that I got from Amazon on there, and then I just put a top coat on there to hold the stickers down and in place. And those are my nails. They look really nice. I'm obsessed with them. All right, y'all, hair is done. I'm officially prepped, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready for my first event for New York Fashion Week. I just received this in the mail last night, well, yesterday, and seeing it in person is a whole different thing. Like, it's just so beautiful. So thank you, Juice the Artist on Instagram, for sending this to me, for putting all your efforts into this. It's beautiful. I can't wait to put it somewhere. I have to find a good place for it, but it's beautiful. I love it. Thank you. On that note, good morning. It is February 12th. It is 9:04 a.m. and we're about to do my makeup because it's 9 o'clock and I have to head out or start heading out around 12. So I got 3 hours to do my makeup and get dressed. I think I could do it. The only problem is that I plan on doing a little bit of eyeshadow today. So that is the thing that's going to take the longest. But we're going to try to get through it. And also I'm filming a tutorial type of video for that as well. But I got my matcha. I'm about to drink my matcha, and we're about to get going. Also, I feel at a 9 right now. I feel like at a 9-10. The only thing is that I have some congestion, as you guys can probably still hear. So I'll check back in a little bit. My arm is hurting. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Guys, I managed to get my makeup done in about an hour. It's like it's around 10:30 right now, but I finished around 10:15. So right now I'm actually gonna meditate because I didn't get to do that this morning. And I have to do it right now because otherwise I won't get to do it for the rest of the day. So I'm getting my mind right. My nose is feeling a little itchy. That typically happens after makeup anyway. You know, all this makeup, I don't have all clean ingredients in here. So yeah, so after I meditate, then I'm gonna start getting dressed because I do want to film Get Dressed With Me Fit of the Week with Ken. Yeah, because I want to film that for you guys. My outfit today is really freaking plain, and I'm kind of annoyed about it because, let me tell you a quick story time. So I was supposed to, Dash, come here. I was supposed to get some pieces in for this week from this company that, long story, but I was supposed to get some pieces in. I was supposed to get a complete outfit for today, and then I had some pieces come in for my outfits that I'm wearing tomorrow and then on Thursday, and they just flopped on me, like completely flopped on me. I got a few pieces for my outfit tomorrow, but that was about it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come like at the end of the month or something, and then it's just like, what's the point? I needed this for this week. So I had to just put something together for today. I'm not too crazy, like I'm excited for today's show because it is a brand that I worked with and it's from Paris, and they invited me to their show over here. So I'm really excited to meet them, and anywho, I'm really excited to meet them, and I'm really excited, but it's their runway show today. Tomorrow is more of like the show that they want me to be interviewed and be on video and stuff like that. So I'm excited for that more. So like the coat that they sent me is the one that I'm gonna wear tomorrow, but I have another coat from them that I'm gonna wear for today. So it's really simple, y'all. Like it's something I've already worn. I'm really annoyed about it because I still wanted to just, you know, pop out with some color and stuff for today, but it just didn't happen that way. You guys will see what I'm talking about when you guys see me ready. Like I'm wearing this white silk button up that I've worn plenty of times before. It's like my favorite white button up though. It's from Misguided. But let me go get about my business before I just stay on here rambling. You guys, I did it. What time is it? It's 11:54. So I did it. I got ready. I did everything. I even filmed the get dressed with me. I did it. Today is a success so far, and I think it's gonna be a success going up forward. I'm just so exhausted. I've been in bed for the past couple of days with allergies, so like today, like doing all of this, it's got me a little tired, but I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Morning, guys. It is February 13th. It is 10:49 right now a.m. I finally am about to start my makeup. I feel like I've been all over the place this morning. I woke up closer to 9 a.m. today because I don't have to be out that early today. I have to leave here around 1 p.m. So I'm actually gonna go live on TikTok to do my makeup. The show was awesome, and today we have an event with Yvette Libby, and I'm so fucking pumped. I'm excited. I just had a little bit of coffee, like a sip, so that's why I'm really excited. But I am excited, and we'll see. I'll tune in with you guys. I am recording my makeup as a YouTube Shorts. You'll see on Instagram Reels and TikTok as well. And I'm going live on TikTok. So we're doing a lot over here. Actually, I have to go get music. I have to get my laptop to play some music while I'm doing my makeup. So I'll see you guys. I'm tired. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm all ready to go, and I actually had some time to spare, and now we're about to head out. I can't wait for you guys to see this look. This look is bomb because this jacket is everything. I've never had a coat like this bright and everything, so I'm really excited for it, and it feels like fashion week, so it's awesome. We're about to head out, and I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah. Hi everyone. So my name is Kendra, but I'm known as KissedByKen on social media. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle content inside, and this is my second coat from Libby. And I'm just glad to have you guys here. I'm glad you guys watched it. So thank you for having me. Hey guys, so you guys saw a little bit of the event. Now I kind of just changed tops. This is all I changed was my top because we're about to go to dinner with Yvette Libby. I'm gonna take some footage of us at dinner with them. It's on a rooftop, so we're about to have a blast. today is the day. So it's been 2 days since you last seen me on here. Today is my final fashion week event, and it is honestly, in a sense, the biggest because I'm doing my first runway walk. I'm kind of nervous. Like, it's about to be 10 a.m. I have to start putting makeup on at least around like 11-ish. I'm so nervous, y'all. Like, I'm like, oh my god, Kendra, like, I've been doing freaking runway walks at home on my own since I was really little. I love it, and it's just like, this is the first time I'm gonna actually do it in front of people, so now I'm scared. It doesn't help that I'm drinking coffee, but it's like I have to drink coffee. Like, y'all, let me tell y'all, first of all, on Monday night, it was a night, like in caps. We didn't get home till 5 a.m. That's for one. And the next day was Valentine's Day, right? And I was vomiting my guts out all Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day didn't happen this year because I couldn't. I'm really like, I'm nervous, but I'm excited, you know? And I remember there was like a tip that I learned, like, especially for me, since, you know, I have a lot of like anxiety when it comes to things. I remember one of the tips that I learned was, if you're feeling anxious, trick your mind into just thinking like, it's not anxiety, I'm just excited. Because typically it's the same physical emotions. So that's what I'm like, you know, putting my mind towards. By the time you see this, it's already happened, and I bet I killed it. I bet it was awesome, and I'm worrying for no reason. This always happens. Like, why can't I just, like, this literally always happens, and I still like just experience the same thing. It's like insanity at this point. It is insanity at this point. Anywho, I'm gonna go. I love y'all. Bye. Hey y'all. Okay, so I didn't check in while I was getting ready because I was just trying to get ready. Right now we're about to head out, still waiting for my mom to head on over here. Yeah, we're about to head out. I'm a little nervous, but my outfit is cute, so it's giving me confidence. It's like, why are you nervous? Like, you look cute. But, you know, this is obviously not what I'm gonna be walking in, but it's what I'm gonna show up in. I'm excited, I'm pumped, and I'll check back in with you guys when we're in that area. You guys, fashion week is a wrap. I'm gonna see if this can hold you here. This is like literally on a light bulb from my vanity. I'm exhausted. I'm so fucking tired. This week has been everything. It's been great. It's been a really, really good week. I've had so much fun. I made so many great connections. I met so many great people. I really enjoyed myself this fashion week. And this has been my favorite fashion week ever, especially because I was more involved with the brands. And, you know, I walked my first runway yesterday, and it was so fun. It was really like, you know, it was a little tiny fashion show. It wasn't nothing crazy. It wasn't like, you know, all the lights and stuff. It wasn't too crazy, but it was my first time walking. So I think it was just perfect for being the first time. And I can't wait for all the other times that I have the opportunity to do this, because it was a lot of fun. And yesterday was really, really fun. I enjoyed the event. I think it was really crowded and probably a little bit unorganized, if I'm being honest. But I really appreciate Modern Day Wife and everybody who was part of the supporting cast for the event that really helped pull it together. It was a successful fashion week. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video through. If you made it all this way, thank you guys for supporting me. It's because of you guys that I have opportunities like this, because of your support all of these years that I've been doing this, and I don't take that for granted. I want to do some giveaways for you guys for sure. I have a bunch of stuff that I could give away, so I'm planning a few giveaways. They're coming soon. Thank you guys for supporting me as always. As I said, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to follow me on all of my other socials to stay updated, especially with the giveaways that I have coming up. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.